Hi guys, my name is Annie. I hope you all have a great day so far. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm doing DIY sewing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see new video every Thursday. In video today, I'm going to be sharing with you all how to sew another slip dress idea. My dress has some detail at the bust, with scattering at this part, opening part with criss-cross, and slit at the bottom of back side. This dress will be fitted on my body, so it's got an invisible zipper at the back of skirt. I like to pair it with quality because I don't want to sew up my skin too much, but I think you look more sexy when wearing it only. Okay, let's get started. I picked up this kind of fabric because I just love the color and white floral on it, but at that time I didn't know what to do with it. When I got an idea about this dress, I immediately think about this fabric and decided to turn the raw fabric into a beautiful and sexy dress. I don't want to make this video too long, then I already made the pattern here. Here are all the pieces that I need, which are a half a front and a half a back. Front side consists of purse part, lower purse part, and skirt. And back side consists of small pieces at the lower part and skirt. Okay, let's cut fabric. I'm starting with making two long strings first. I already cut some panels with 3 cm width. Then I connect 3 pieces together to create the longer string. Fold the fabric in half and stitch it. I'm gonna keep the presser foot directly up against the edge of fabric to make sure my stitching straight. After finished stitching, I'm going to trim the excess fabric and turn the right side out. Remember to press it flat and nice. For 2 pieces of skirt at the back side, I'm gonna press a thin interfacing on the center line to make them thicker, then overlocking by my serger. Now I'm gonna stick the waist star on both pieces of back skirt and also front skirt. After stitching, I often leave a distance of thread and tie it up to make sure they are in place. Next, I'm going to connect front and back side together at the both sides by sewing machine and overlocking by my serger. So now it's time to stitch an invisible zipper into the back of skirt. From the bottom of skirt, go up 23 cm and mark it there. Then I'm gonna sew into panel together from the end of the zipper to the marked point. After that, I'm going to fold fabric to the wrong side to creating the slit. And next, I'm starting to hem the bottom of skirt. For the lining part of skirt, I use a kind of cotton fabric in gold. Then I'm gonna cut and sew like a main part, but I'll leave the slit on both sides to easily move when dressing up. Moving on to the top, I cut 4 pieces of press part. Now, I'm starting to stick press dart and stick 2 lines on each pieces. Then, I'm gonna scrap 2 threads on top and pull it to gather fabric. Okay, next, I'm going to connect 2 purse panels into the lower purse part. After that, I'm gonna stitch in on top of the lower purse part. When making steps, I also make another one, and now I'm gonna cut it into 6 pieces with 5 cm length. Fold it in half and stitching it to the small part pieces at 3 positions. Doing that onto the other one. Then I'm going to place 2 part pieces on the front side and the right side together and sew it. For the facing part, doing that on the seam. Now, I'm going to pin main part and facing part together. Then, at the top of first part, I'm gonna insert the strap between and starting to stitching them together. Next, I'm going to understitching on the facing part to make sure everything on top looks nice and beautiful. And it's time to connect top, main skirt and lining skirt in one. Okay, let's pin them together and stitching them in place. Everything on small done. Now I just threw inside, grab the zipper and lining part, stitching them from top to the end of the zipper. Then connect 2 lining pieces together from the end of zipper to the bottom to finish. And here's the final result. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I think I can style it with a long sleeve shirt for this fall. Hope you liked my video and see you next Thursday. Bye!